Here's how to pay QuickBooks Invoice with credit card. Start from your QuickBooks Online account home screen. Since you are already signed in, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Sales and Get Paid. This opens the area where customer billing activity is managed, including invoices and recorded payments. From there, click Invoices to open your invoice list. You will see the invoices connected to your customers, along with status details and available actions. Find the invoice you want to record a credit card payment for, and take a moment to confirm that you have selected the right one before moving forward. In the action column next to that invoice, click Receive Payment. This takes you to the Receive Payment page, where QuickBooks lets you apply a payment to an outstanding invoice and record how that payment is being handled. On this page, confirm that the correct customer is selected and that the correct invoice is showing. This is the point where it is worth checking the details closely, especially if the customer has more than one open invoice. You want the payment tied to the intended transaction. Next, look for the Record or Charge section and select Charge New Payment. This tells QuickBooks that you want to process a new card payment rather than record a payment that happened somewhere else. Choose the credit card payment option, then enter the customer's card information when prompted. Make sure the information is entered in the appropriate fields and matches the card being used for this payment. If your account setup displays more than one payment method, stay with the credit card option for this process. After that, confirm the payment date and the amount received. These fields should reflect the actual date of the card payment and the amount you want applied. If the invoice is being paid in full, the amount should match the open balance. If not, confirm the amount that should be recorded. Under Outstanding Transactions, make sure the correct invoice is checked. Then verify the amount being applied to that invoice. This section is important because it shows exactly where the incoming payment is going. If multiple open transactions appear, make sure only the intended invoice is selected for this payment. Review the rest of the payment details and confirm that the amount to apply is correct. This final check helps prevent recording the wrong amount or applying the payment to the wrong transaction. When everything looks right, click Record and Close. QuickBooks will process the credit card payment and save the payment record to the invoice. Thanks for watching. The QuickBooks invoice payment has now been charged to the credit card and recorded on the correct invoice.